Hello. In this video, I will show you how to install VirtualBox and create a Windows Server 2019 VM that can be remote accessed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To start, we will need to download and install VirtualBox. I will leave in the description the link. Since our host machine is Windows, we will use the Windows host installer. Installation of VirtualBox is just straightforward, so just follow what I did in the video. Now we have successfully installed VirtualBox. Next step is to prepare our .iso file for Windows Server 2019. I will download it from their website. I will leave in the description the link. This file is huge, so it may take some time before download completes. Simply just wait for it to complete. I've finished downloading the .iso file, so it's time to create our virtual machine to which we will install our Windows Server 2019. In VirtualBox, click New and input the required details. Select the folder to where to store the VM's files. This case I will place it in Drive D. Select the ISO file you have downloaded. The server type should be Microsoft Windows. The version should be Windows 2019 64-bit. For the virtual hardware, I will allocate this VM with around 4 GB RAM, 4 CPU core, and around 30 GB of hard disk. Click Finish and the virtual machine will start. This is like turning on your physical machine. Click inside the virtual machine. From the options, press C to boot CD-ROM so it can load the ISO file we downloaded earlier. Here, I simply selected my time zone. My bad, it took me so long to find my time zone. Click Next to proceed. Click Install now. Take note, for this installation chose Windows Server 2019 with desktop experience, otherwise you will install a Windows Server without user interface and can navigate through CMD only. Click Next to proceed. Click Next to proceed. Click Custom Installation. Select a partition, then click Format. Click Next to proceed. This part is just Windows doing its thing, so I will fast forward the video. After installation, the virtual machine will restart many times just like a physical machine. Then, a screen appears requiring you to input password for your administrator account. Take note that since we are installing Windows Server, a stronger password is required. After inputting the password, click Finish. To log in, you will need to use Ctrl-Alt-Delete. You can't use your keyboard for this, so use the Devices option. Input your password. There, we have fresh installation of Windows Server 2019. For a new version of VirtualBox, I think the host machine already shares internet access with the virtual machine. I am just testing if that is the case. I think it is indeed the case. Now, let us check if we can remote access this virtual machine so we won't use this small screen provided by VirtualBox. By default, remote access is disabled, so we will enable it from the system settings. Let us continue our testing via CMD if we can ping our virtual machine. Okay, timeout result means we can't remote it right now since the IP address is not reachable. I will shut down this VM and enable bridge adapter in the settings of the VM. Let's start again the VM and check if adding bridged adapter in network settings solves the problem. Here, I was checking the network setting of the host machine. It turns out this part is not needed anymore since latest version of VirtualBox allows a neat sharing of network. Let us resume testing if we can remote this VM. Upon checking, the new adapter is added, and I think this time, the second IP address is reachable and we can remote it. In the host machine, I will open Remote Desktop and provide the necessary credentials. There you go. We have a fresh installation of Windows Server 2019 and we can remote access it in our local network. Just reminder to enable virtualization setting of your host machine. This is enabled using BIOS. I will not tackle it here since it is hardware specific and there are lots of videos on it in YouTube. Virtual machines are really great. It allows you to efficiently utilize the resource of your high-specs host. Thank you for watching and happy coding. See you on the next tutorial.
Hey everyone, it is Gabe from Babylon Journey, and we are diving into episode 2, and we are getting into lights. Now,